Hello everyone, this is Karubaki. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to do a very bold and a very full glam makeup. So I have already prepped my skin and I have applied moisturizer. Now I would be using this Dewy Finish Mist by Rico to set my face. Now I would be using the Rene Pore Blurring Filter. Always remember, don't over prime your face because it will not hold the makeup, rather it will become very patchy and your makeup will slip. Okay, you can see the difference between this side and that side. Now I would be using this Insight concealer to cover my dark spots and where I have pigmentation. It is similar to the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer because it gives full coverage almost if layered properly. I don't have that dark stubborn dark circles, that's why I am not using any color corrector today, and my skin has been feeling better recently, so yeah. Now I'll be using the Maybelline Super Stay Lumimatte foundation and I will apply my base. I'm applying a bit more today because I'll be doing a very full coverage, full glam makeup, so that's why. And don't drag, just pat. Now I will take a beauty blender and it's wet, and I will dab it over the brush strokes. It will give me a very dewy and a very sheer finish, but it will be full coverage. You can see my base is done. Now I will move forward with blush and contouring. So for blush I will be using the Sunkissed blush from Maybelline. It's my current favorite blush, so I have been using a lot, I think probably in my all makeup routines. I'm not applying a much, and we will. And for the concealer I will be using the Maybelline one just to highlight. Now I will blend the blush, and for that I would be using the beauty blender. See the finish? That's why it's my favorite. It gives you that within glow effect. Just see it. Nicely it blends. It's not that heavy, or it's a kind of watery tint. Now that blush has been done, I will be applying the bronzer. Some in my nose also. Of it, I will use that same blender which I earlier used to blend my concealer, and I will blend it. I will not spread it, I will blend it in its place. See, you can see the difference in this side and this side. Let me complete and come. Now I will blend my concealer. You can see my base is beautifully done. It's so flawless. And now I'm gonna set it with setting powder and come back. And for the setting powder, I'm using the Mars one. It gives a very, brightening effect, and it sets my base very well. I will again take the beauty blender and I will take off. So I have applied the powder in the area I want to highlight. Now I will be using it under my eyes. And I will dust it off when I will complete my eye makeup, because I don't want any fallout to fall in my base. And that becomes very difficult to take it out. That's why I'm looking funny right now, but bear it with me. And now I'm gonna do my eye makeup. So I will be applying a thick liner with a thick kohl, black kohl, and that's why I don't want my eyes to have more colors rather than some brown shade. So I will be using this beauty palette and I will apply a transition shade, and I will just fill it. I think it's pretty much it, and I will do the next eye. I think it's pretty much done, and just wing it out a little bit, and from here also. I have the branding has been erased totally, but I think it might be from my Glam. So I'm applying it up to my outer corner. Just roughly apply a line, then we will blend it. Tight line also. Now I will take the black eyeshadow in a smudging brush and I will smudge it. And now I will take the brown shade and merge it. It's pretty much done. I will do the same in the other eye and come back. I applied in this eye too and I smudged it out. Okay, don't worry, it's too dark. We will apply concealer and clean it. Don't worry. So now my lower waterline has been done. We will move forward with the lids. Okay. So for my lid, I will be using a gel liner. Okay, because it dries quickly and gives you that bold jet black look, which I like honestly. So I will start with a thin line. Okay, and then build it up. Okay, see. I will do the same in the second eye. Now it's done, and we will smudge it a little and then move forward with cleaning it up. First of all, I will brush off the extra powder under my eyes. Now I will clean it. Now we will be doing our brows. Okay, I will take a bigger angular brush and take some gel eyeliner and I will apply in the outline. And I will brush it off with the pulley. You can do with eyeshadows and other products, but I like to do this because I also get sweat all around my forehead. So if I use an eyeshadow, it smudges. So I used a gel liner. It stays intact. And my brows are usually darker and thicker, so I like this. See the difference between this and this? Instantly, it gives a fuller look. Now my eyebrows are done. We will move forward for the lips. So for lips, I will be going with dark brown lip liner, and I will be applying a very bold color. I like to overline my lips, but if your lips are fuller, you no need to lip line. I like to overline my cupid's bow. If you don't want to, don't do it. See, now I will top it off with some a pink shade of lipstick, not too bright, but a subtle pink shade to have that ombre effect. And for that, I would be using the Maybelline Superstar lipstick and just apply here. You can see the lip combo is comboing. Now I will dust off the rest of the powder from my face. So I will set my face with powder, rest of the face, because I sweat a lot. So for me, powder setting is very much necessary. I just take a little bit and apply all over the face because we will be applying a fixer. I think now it's done. I will be applying the Mars Seal the Deal fixer. That's a lot. So this is the whole look. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.